Approaching Windjammer Marketplace. There you go. Yan. Mag-umpisa na naman tayo bayat mag-ano. Tawag dito. Mga rock. Ma-overwhelm. So, mga bayat, another day. Another kabusugan serye. And another menu na naman for the buffet breakfast here at the Windjammer. Like literal na another menu set na naman ang kanilang ina-offer para hindi ka magsawa. Pero ang dami na agad mga ano dito ha. Ang dami na agad tao. Nakaka-lower key. So, naghahanap lang kami ng aming pagkakainan. Oh, orange juice, cold water, and apple juice naman for today's video. Let's so. Nakahanap si Mikey na magandang spot.
Dito ka na.
It's very open sea. For your breakfast. Oh, ang ganda ng view mo dyan, girl.
Sure mo.
Ikot na kami ni Mikey. Ngayon. Orange juice ngayon and apple juice ang kanilang juice for the day.
And orange.
Yun nga, apple juice and orange juice ang kanilang juice for the day. Diba? Grabe, nakaano sila habang tayo nakapantulog sila. These are their menu. Baked beans. Uy, may scrambled eggs. Hash browns. Chicken sausage. Then, paano sa salad. Yun na nga. Ito yung parang kanilang sauces. Ito na may mga different types of bread. White bread, butter, wheat bread, durian bread. Really? They have soft roll. And wow, there's also a green tea bread. Diba? Let's go naman sa vegetable fried rice. Wow! Steamed vegetable and stir-fried noodles with vegetable. And may breakfast syrup. Then, yeah, they also have toast, French toast, pancake, waffle. They also have waffle, diba? Ito, Han, may strawberry compote, pandan, kaya jam. They also have chicken floss bun, diba? Paborito yun yung Mikey floss. Uy, may plain butter croissant, caramel croissant, white chocolate donut, classic sugar donut, vanilla Danish. Lahat dito ng blueberry muffin, green tea bread, white chocolate, classic sugar. There you go. And yung menu, may egg. Fried eggs, sunny side up, fried well done, soy sauce. Yeah. Wow! May oatmeal sila. Yan, oatmeal. Hot milk. Then, raisins, brown sugar. Okay, exit yan. Dito tayo sa kabila. We also have hash browns, grilled tomato. We also have fried fish. Yan, ito mga chichi kasi ay mahilig sa mga yan. Cheese omelette. Wow, cheese omelette. Scrambled egg. Let's try this. Oh, yung scrambled egg nila. Dito naman tayo. So, mga bayat may steamed corn, boiled eggs, steamed vegetables, fried potatoes. Uy, steamed egg naman. Meron naman. Then, steamed taro. Parang ano yun eh. Ubi ba yun? So, white rice, steamed rice, sweet potatoes. Ayan, may breadsticks, chicken pao, hot milk, oat milk rin. So meron din tayo ditong mga, ayan, pambata, like Kellogg's, Cheerios, cornflakes, Sally, pears, peach, wow, may peach, figs. Then ito yung mga yogurt naman, mga bayot. Then of course, may steer, may cold cut, may salami, then provolone, hams contain pork, and, diba? Hindi ko alam provolone ba yan. Of course, mga bayot, they have fruits again. And yan na naman yung mga fruits. Cantaloupe, melon, pineapples. Sarap. Ayan, may bananas. Bananas and oranges. Ayan. Ooh. Banana and oranges. So, let's get banana. I do have here nutrient-dense food. Taray ko lang nutrient talaga. Charing. So, yan yung ano natin.
Corned beef?
Yeah. Corned beef and hash. Chicken. Ano to? Sausage. Fried rice with vegetable mix. Then yan. Yung mixed fruits na paborito natin dito. Yan na. Papasok na sila sa kanilang keme. Uy! Yan. Okay. Tingnan mo ang kanilang view. Chanen! Diba?
Wow! Damn birdie. From 14th to 3rd.
Say hello.
Hi. Oh, mabilis.
Ayan mga bayot, lalabas tayo. At very wrong. Sarado pa. Hindi siya bukas.
Oo, kasi nga malakas ang hangin.
Malakas ang alon. Tingnan mo naman, Mars.
Dili pa rin tayo dito. Ay, hindi sila nag-open pa kasi masyadong malakas.
Oo. Masyadong malakas pa. Baka nga. Morning po.
Naman dito, hindi ganun kalakas.
Look at that. Naambon yung weather, no? Nasa open sea kasi tayo mga bayot. Then, look at that. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Diba? Grabe. Oh. So, we're here sa the cafe at 270. Then, dito yung parang konti lang yung tao kasi konti lang for sure yung gusto pumunta dito. Pero ito yung mga breakfast menu nila. Diba? Paano mas maganda dito pumunta? And yun, hanggang mahirapan kasi dito is ano, Hahaligi o Cantaloupe. Okay. So, ganyan. Salami. Ganyan salami. Smoked ham and bagels. Plain and garlic bagels. Hello. Morning fried chicken. So they also have pork sausage, croissant, bacon and eggs, cheese, tomato, croissant, then, ito naman yung mga dessert nila. And then yes, meron silang royal egg muffin. Wow. Let's try that. So I only got the royal egg muffin. Masarap, in fairness. Dito sa 270 Cafe. Nag light meals na tayo kanina. So ngayon, another light meal ulit. Light meal. Yan yung view for our 270. And dito kami nanood mga bayot ng nung The Silk Road. Ganda sana kung nandito tayo sa baba. Parang fun sit. Pero nandun kami sa taas. Pero carry lang. The show was spectacular. Mga bayot, lalabas muna kami ni Tita habang tulog ang aming master. Yan, these are our outfit for today. For our cruising day. Mag-iikot-ikot kami. So, we need to check first the legend. Okay, so saan tayo punta? Hold on, let me check. Nakakaloka. May elevator na hindi pinalitan yung days. So, Saturday na ngayon. So, we're going here sa Windjammer ulit, sa 40. Lapit sa port side ko. Ang dami naglalangoy-langoy. Diba? Masarap sana mag-swimming, kaso nakakaano. Kasabay mo mga chichi, di ba? Control ka naman, nagsusumba ka nga eh. So yan,
Magkasumba naman.
Kuha kami ng snacks ulit, light snacks na si Tita. Yan ang paborito niyang pears or peras. I do have congee, orange juice, and decaffeinated coffee siya with milk and yan gatas. So, kakain mo na kami mga bayot. Yung master namin, si Mikey, natutulog. Antok pa siya. Diba?
Pero ano?
So, here's the lunch menu for day 2. Oh, diba? Ang cute.
Hey mom, have you decided? Do you have any food allergies?
Here's my starters. It's iceberg Wendy. Kay Mikey, egg drop soup. And kay Tita, it's mozzarella stick.
Ikaw na.
Enjoy! Kumakain ka ng pizza. Parang kumakain ng pizza dito.
把你的一个给我把羊毛长长不长？你这样定出来，什么时候能出手票？生产真的。哎，你看啊，对，这个，你不记吗？
Our main dish, our main entree, Singaporean noodles. Kay Mikey is pulled pork burger kinembler. Then, barramundi, fish ulit.
Baramundi.
There you go. Enjoy lunch! Oh my God, ang bango.
Isang fish.
Windjammer naman, right after lunch. We're currently here sa Royal Esplanade in Deck 4, wherein we will watch the Royal Fashion Gala. Ayun si Mikey, oh, kasi at the same time, merong, ano tawag dito? Bag sale. Designer bag sale collection after 50% off. That's the bag one. Ayun, naandun siya. Nagpapabudol si Mike. Nag-reserve na kami ng seat dito para at least, diba? Masaya. So later, let's watch that, okay?
我知道我在想你。我们之间的距离好像不能有顾忌，你不在我身边。谢谢，好不好听？好听的话，用你们最热情的掌声送给你们最漂亮的3男小姐姐，好不好？ 谢谢大家热情的掌声啊！当然，今天的表演大秀是来自瑞士的奢侈品品牌啊。当然，相信大家应该有穿的有巴黎的鞋子啊。巴黎的鞋子的话，非常的柔软，非常的好穿。当然，所有巴黎的包包的话，在我左手边的潮流馆，也就是咱们包包店啊，所有的巴黎包包，咱们都是在免税的基础上，还有半价优惠给到大家啊。如果有感兴趣的话，等一下咱们活动结束，需要拿你的湿布轻轻擦拭一下，就会非常的干净，而且完好如初啊，不需要怎么特别的去爱护它，而且平常使用起来的话非常耐磨，而且很结实，这是咱们非常高的包包颜色啊。当然，除了咱们手拿包的话，也会有一些双肩包啊。
Pasok daw kami dito sa may, ano yan, solarium? Sa solarium. Kasi ito yung, ano to, pang adults. Adult lang. Yan. There goes, solarium. Let's see. Bawal dito mga bata. So, pang adults lang dito. 18 years old and above. Yan. Then kasama na to, mga senior ba, to be exact. Yan. Wow! Nandito pala ang mga apame. Ayan, pak. Dinner time. Ano ba yun? Ano ang gagawin? Tulog. Gala konti. Then another dinner time.
Hello, good evening. Welcome back.
Fine. Hindi mo na kami ng...
So, for the onion soup, if you want to try it,
Here's my starter for dinner. Escargot again. So, my skin. Then, ano ay sa'yo, tita? Bamboo shoot. It's rib in Shanghai sauce.
Labong-labong.
Pork pad thai for our main starters. Kay Mikey is grilled big shrimp. Yun ang sabi. Tapos ito, stuffed bell pepper. Bon appetit! Yeah, there you go. Last, dessert.
thank you very much for coming tonight. And then don't forget tonight, our breakfast in Deck 3 is gonna be early, 6:30 to 8:30.
Okay.
Because tomorrow maybe we arrive around 6 or 7. And then lunch, we close in mind.
Last, for our dinner, strawberry shortcake, dessert, then baked Alaska, and
Tart.
banana tart. There you go. Bon appetito. We'll be watching here sa Royal Theater. Ano ba yun? Palabas ay The Effectors. Yan. So let's see. At saka pambababa ng kinain. Dahil katatas lang natin kumain, di ba mga bayan? So, excited na.